Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Mac is running a supported Mac OS and your phone's OS is current, because compatibility prevents connection issues. Install the chosen Remote Mouse app on your phone and the Mac helper on your computer. These two pieces speak to each other. Once done, enable Bluetooth or put both devices on the same Wi-Fi network so they can discover one another. Avoid VPNs or guest networks that isolate devices, as that commonly blocks pairing. Now continue by granting the Mac helper the necessary permissions. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and enable accessibility and input monitoring so the app can control the cursor and send clicks. On the phone, accept prompts for local network access and Bluetooth to allow discovery. Then select your Mac from the phone app's device list. When a PIN or pairing code appears, confirm it on both sides. This secures the link and prevents accidental connections from other devices. Finish by calibrating sensitivity and enabling right-click or multi-finger gestures inside the app so movement feels natural. This makes tasks like dragging and scrolling reliable. Test basic actions. Move the cursor, left and right clicks, drag files, and use the on-screen keyboard. Practice until the latency and sensitivity suit you. If things go wrong, restart the phone and Mac, reauthorize accessibility and input permissions, and retry pairing. That sequence resolves most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.